Let's have a look at the answer to question 2b, part 2. So we have been given some info. We've been told approximately half of New Zealand youths who eat breakfast daily have an intake of between 9,500 and 12,000 kilojoules. And we need to discuss whether that model is appropriate. Okay, so what I've got down here, this is the information we had from the previous question, where we've got the intake is normally distributed with a mean of 11,200 and a standard deviation of 2,230. So what I want to do first of all is take these two values of 9,500 and 12,000, and let's actually go and find what that probability is. And then we can compare it to that half and see whether this would be an appropriate model or not. So that's what we want to do. So I'm going to put on my graph here, I'm going to put my mean there, 11,200, with my standard deviation of 2,230 underneath it. Then I want my 9,500, which is somewhere below, and the other value was 12,000. So I'm just going to pick a point, 12,000. And I want this area between those points. So that's what we want to find. Okay, so I am going to use my NCD mode on my calculator, and I am going to put in, this is my lower value and the 12,000 is my upper value, because that's on the axis there. Those are the 2 points that I want. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to put in my lower value 9,500, oh, too many zeros, and upper 12,000, with those mean and standard deviation still the same from the previous one, and that gives me a probability there of 0.4172 when I round that to 4 decimal places, so 4172. Oh. Okay, so that's what using this distribution gives us, that probability. Now we need to discuss whether that is appropriate. And the claim was that approximately half of those would be between these. Now 41%, is that close enough to half? I would say no. And so that's what my comment would be now. This is not close to 50%. Therefore, the model is not appropriate. And there we go.